Hello children, how are you? All of you fine? We understood in mathematics Heron formula and in science today a very minute thing, a very minute matter. So many times I thought whether I have to do this one or not, but ultimately I conclude that after studying your lessons, your homework, and then your paper, I come in one conclusion that so many times it happened that you don't know how to represent the question's answer properly in your uh, worksheet, or you can say the answer sheet, and you don't know how to make the sentence properly. So many times I observed this thing. So how to write an ideal answer, I am going to talk about that today. Okay, under the same lesson, different kinds of questions I will take, and how to write it answer, that I am going to show you, that I am going to explain you today. Is it clear? Okay, but before I start this very nice thought, okay, I have written in your board, that is the जननी जन्म भूमिश्च स्वर्गादपि गरीयसी. यार इसके बारे में थोड़ा सा बात करते हैं, and then I will move toward your topic. So when Rama and Lakshmana both were doing the war with Ravan in Sri Lanka, so during that time, you know very well, Ram got the victory and the entire golden Lanka has come controlled under the Ram's power. And at that time, Lakshman asked him, okay, dear brother, why should we go Ayodhya now? Okay, this place is more prosperous than Ayodhya. All kind of facilities are there. Such a great, these palaces are there, cities are there. Land is full of water, full of flora and fauna. Every amenities, all kind of facilities are there. And why should not we create one empire here rather than Ayodhya? Let's do the Bharat to work in Ayodhya. उसको वहाँ पे राज करने दो. We will settle down here. So at that time, Ram answered the Lakshman. He said that Ai Swarnamayi Lanka Lakshmana Mama na rochate. This beautiful golden Lanka, Lakshman, Mama means to me na rochate. I don't like. Why? Because two things are there. Once, it is not my motherland. ये मेरी मातृभूमि नहीं है. And second, my mom is not with me. So what is the importance of mother and motherland? With this word, with this statement, we can understand. And that is the reason we should show our gratitude toward our mother and motherland. And that's why he said, Janani Janma Bhumischa Swargadapi Gariyasi. Mother, माँ और मातृभूमि, ये स्वर्ग से भी महान है. Okay, there is no scope for heaven in front of mother and motherland. And this gratitude attitude you also develop in your heart. That is the ultimate message. Okay. Now let's start the topic. Okay. One question is given in your uh, lesson, that what is acute disease and what is chronic disease. Okay, how to write it? Okay, see here, it is given like this way. The manifestation of disease will be different depending on the number of factors. Some disease last for only very short period of time, and these are called the acute disease. We know how from experience that the common cold lasts only a few days. Other animal can last for a long time, even as much as lifetime, and are called the chronic disease. Now, how to write what is acute and what is chronic? Here they make the jumble of words. Now, how to select the word from that systematically and write the answer, that I am going to show you today. ये मैं आप लोगों को आज बता रहा हूँ. नॉर्मली इन आवर क्लास हम इन चीज़ों पे बहुत ज़्यादा डिस्कशन नहीं कर पाते हैं ड्यू टू द लैक ऑफ टाइम एंड वेरी हेक्टिक शेड्यूल. बट हियर यू एंड मी बोथ हैव द एम्पल ऑफ टाइम. बहुत सारा टाइम है, तो ये भी आपको आज एक सीखने का मौका वीडियो से मिल रहा है. दैट्स व्हाई आई टेल यू ईच एंड एवरी टाइम वीडियो वॉच करो. आपको वो बहुत सारी चीज़ें जानने को मिल जाएंगी जो शायद हम जाने अनजाने में क्लास में कभी नहीं करवा पाते थे, या जिन टॉपिक को हम कभी टच नहीं कर पाते थे. किन चीज़ों, बहुत सारी चीज़ों का टाइम, पोर्शन खत्म करवाना है, बुक करेक्ट करनी है, और भी दूसरे एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव टेंशंस, बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती थी. लेकिन यहाँ पे वो चीज़ नहीं है बच्चों. सो टेक द एडवांटेज ऑफ दिस. इसका एडवांटेज लीजिए. नाउ लेट्स सी. When this now question has asked what is acute and chronic disease, now how you will write the answer, कैसे आप आंसर लिखोगे. So first of all, make the heading. ये हेडिंग आपको सबसे पहले डालनी है, एक्यूट एंड क्रोनिक डिजीज. इज इट क्लियर? ये आपको सबसे पहले करना है. नाउ सी चिल्ड्रन, एक्यूट एंड क्रोनिक डिजीज, राइट द हेडिंग first and you observe what kind of change I make here, so you will get the idea. Disease by which our body suffers. See, this word is not given in your text, but I used here. Is it clear? So how to make the sentence, that is the most important art that you have to develop on you. A very short period of time is known as acute disease. How it is written in your book, that also I will explain you. And here you see example flu and common cold. Next, disease by which our body suffer long time or lifetime is called chronic disease, blood pressure, asthma and cancer. 3 examples I gave you. Now see how it is mentioned here. See, some disease last for only very short period of time. These diseases are called acute disease. I am not saying it is wrong, but how to write it? Using your own word, that's I explain you here. So I hope you will understood this concept. ये आपके समझ में आया होगा. एंड ऐसे ही कुछ और क्वेश्चंस का एक PDF I am going to send you. So try to write the answers your own word, but in systematic way as I shown you here. Is it clear? सही तरीके से कैसे प्रेजेंट करना, that is an art, and in this time you learn that thing. Is it clear? So bye, see you all of you, take care.